Okay, so in this video, I will introduce to you the subject, the course title of our subject, the course description, what is it about, the goal to achieve at the end of this course, the schedule, our online class schedule, and then in this video, I will also share to you two skills to master to help you be an effective student while learning from home. And lastly, the areas where or the avenues where you can communicate with me. Okay, the title of this course is, or this subject is Readings in Philippine History. So, what is this course or this subject about? It is entitled Readings in Philippine History, not the Philippine history. Note the word readings and note that it is in plural form, meaning we will not only read one textbook or one source, but we will read different sources from different accounts about a certain topic in history or Philippine history. We will be analyzing Philippine history from different perspectives or views, from different readings from different sources. This course or this subject aims to expose you, the students, to different facets of Philippine history through the lens of eyewitnesses. So the point is, we will not only settle with one source of information, example, one textbook of Philippine history, and then we believe everything that is being said in the book. No, we will have different sources. Sources can be in written form, oral, visual, audiovisual, or digital that covers various aspects of Philippine life. That includes the political, economic, social, cultural Philippine life. And then we analyze these sources before we conclude. What is our main goal to achieve at the end of this 10-day course? The end goal of this course is for you, the student, to develop your historical and critical consciousness or awareness so that you will become versatile, meaning able to adapt easily, articulate, meaning fluent or able to express your mind, broad minded, because you will be open to more views and not judge directly because you'll do research before concluding something. Morally upright and responsible citizen of the Republic of the Philippines and wherever you are in the globe. So that is what the subject is all about in a nutshell. Learning from home is not a walk in the park. It's not easy. There are many distractions, coupled with laziness. Is that right? I'll share with you some technique to master these two skills to master to help you be an effective student while learning from home. The first skill is the skill of discipline. Self discipline. So, what is self discipline? Self discipline is the ability to make yourself do what you should do, when you should do it, whether you like it or not. Again, please repeat and sink that in. The ability to make yourself do what you should do, when you should do it, whether you like it or not. Like you, I am also a student. I've enrolled myself in an online class in Stanford University, Stanford Medicine, for a course writing in sciences. Also, I'm taking care of my 2-year-old child. We do not have a helper at home, so we basically do everything in the house. I also paint sometimes. What makes me do all of that? I make time for the things that I value. You have enrolled in this class and paid your tuition. That means you value learning. When you value something, you make time. I suggest that you make time every day to listen and study the lecture videos and fulfill the requirements for that video on that same time or day so your task will not be filing up. The second skill that you have to master is the skill of focus. It means your ability to begin a task without procrastination. What is procrastination? Unya-unya ra. And then maintain your attention and effort until you complete the task. Again, it means your ability to begin a task without procrastination. And then maintain your attention and effort until you complete the task. So, here's a guide to practice the two skills, the skill of discipline and the skill of focus. I actually made this up because this is what I try to do and it's effective. Number one, decide the time of your study. Let's say every 1 p.m. to 5 p.m. for your readings in Philippine history. Have an alarm set in your cell phone. 2. Have a study area in your house. I would not recommend your bed. It should be a different place. When the alarm rings, be disciplined enough to go and sit in your study area. 3. Then set another alarm for 60 or 90 minutes. I would suggest 90 minutes though. That is your study time. In that time, you should not be distracted by other factors like Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, or make sure that you log out from any social media platforms or informed your parents that you should not be disturbed during your study time and let them know that time. Give your attention and focus for 60 to 90 minutes to learn and understand the lecture and achieve the goals of that certain lecture. And then number 4, after your study time, you can have 15 to 20-minute break. You can have your snacks at this time, get fresh air, walk, stretch, talk to your friends, girlfriends or boyfriends, etc. And then after your break, then set another 60 or 90 minutes for your next study task. So make sure that during your study time, you are your only focus is the lecture. Your only attention is your attention is just directed to the lecture videos of your subject. And then number 5, okay, set another 60 to 90 minutes for your next study tasks. And then lastly, number 6, you can reward yourself with an ice cream or social media scrolling or whatever it is that you can reward yourself after you've successfully disciplined yourself to study. So if you're able to do that, then give yourself a reward. If you value your time and your parents' money, have the skill of self discipline and focus.